Hey, how's it going, everybody? Well, I got word that the lake that is not too far from where I live, Grapevine Lake, was flooding over its dam for the first time in 25 years. So I wanted to come see what the creek looked like that it floods into, Denton Creek. So that's it behind me. Let's go get a closer look. Okay, so here's one of the trails I normally go down. And look at this. We have had a limb fall off this tree here, so I'm going to help clear some of this out. I'm honestly not going to be able to cut down that huge stump, but these vines and stuff have just grown like rapid. So let me see if I can mount my camera somewhere so that you can see what I'm doing. Alright guys, so I wasn't able to apologize about the airplane. Wasn't able to film me getting through that mess, but if you've seen any of my videos, especially the Winter Scout and the one where I saw the first snake of the year when I saw that moccasin, this is that trail I came through, and this is the creek that I walked all the way down. I mean, here's the anchor for that rope, and I walked all the way down and crossed, if I can get down here, actually crossed through right over there. That's where the moccasin was. So I mean, this is up at least 30 feet. I mean, at least, because that's about a 15-foot walk, 16-foot walk down to where I was before I went through the rocks and found the moccasin and all that. So I mean, this is unbelievable. I've filmed this river before, and I've shown you, and it was running really clear and all that, and it actually looks like, if you watch the debris, this is backflowing now, because the spillway that's overflowing is this way, and the water should be getting pushed down here. But I guess what they've done is they've opened up a gate further upstream or something that's causing water to get pushed back up. And I mean, everything looks just completely different. This is so grown up, and people haven't been down here now in probably a month. I mean, I know I haven't been here since before the Wolf Customs gathering. It's just been raining and soaking wet, and there's no need to fool with that if you don't have to. So for those of you that don't have it and have never seen it before, I know Travis Henry, I was telling you about it, but I wanted to show you. This is China berry, okay, and there's a bigger one right there. And they'll do this, they'll grow in clusters because it's an invasive species. This is what its leaves look like when they're smaller, and as they get bigger, they look like this. And you see those berries? It'll just be all over these trees all throughout the year, and you'll see tons of them all over the ground. See all these dried up things on this wall? There's another one, just a classic one of what they look like after they fall off. Whoops. But these make really good bow drill sets. Here it is again. And then here's the leaves when they get bigger. I don't know if you can see that. There's one. So for giggle's sake, I'm headed back to where I used to have the dollar camp set up before people kindly destroyed it, you know. And look at this wash that literally goes right into it. So guys, it was really a blessing in disguise, you know, that I didn't try to wait out any rain or anything, because this is all flooded out. I mean, completely flood damage, complete washout. Sorry, I heard something over there. Definitely on the lookout for snakes, because almost fell, because this is a freaking creek. Look at it. That's where my camp was. Look at all of it. The water is all the way up here where I'm standing. This is crazy. So glad that I wasn't camped up in here. Look, there's all my stuff that they had stacked up. Literally a huge wash. So definitely fortunate, you know, to be out of this place. I haven't found a new camp yet, but you know, it is what it is. I can't do everything at once, you know. It's my first time coming out to this area in quite a while, so I've been busy and taking trips and hanging out with friends, and so just wanted to kind of come see what it looked like. If you want, we can go ahead and keep walking upstream. I'm just being really careful to not stumble across any of our slithery friends. Here's one of the culverts. This is normally a wash I walk down to get to the creek over there. I normally walk underneath that branch right there. It's wild how high everything is. I mean, what can you do? Everything's gonna be different after this water goes down, you know. Who knows how long that'll take too. So at least it's a beautiful day. There's white fluffy clouds and blue sky and no rain. And then there's another China berry. So like I was saying, I figured they were letting water out somewhere to make this backflow. And I don't know where this is coming from. You see that? Can hear it too. I'm going to try to skirt around here and see if I can see if this is actually the overflow from Lake Grapevine or not. Guys, I wanted to show you this. This was a tree. Look at that. Completely uprooted this thing and pulled it out into the river. So it looked like it pulled it up here, the roots, and turned it on itself out there. Look at where it's eroded away, that bank over there. Wow. Unbelievable. I mean, that's moving. I think it's at 2,600 cubic feet a second for a creek. It's pretty dangerous. I mean, it's definitely navigable in a kayak, but it's pretty crazy. So this is where they've got the trail blocked off, but there's normally not even 2 feet of water right here. There's a bunch of really smooth, nice river rocks and stuff through here that you can literally just wade across from one side to the other. And it's, I mean, these sycamores that are underwater are normally, you know, a good 5 feet out. There's a snake swimming across. Trying to at least see what he is. See him? Maybe not. Here he is. No idea, Justin, who that dude is. Definitely doesn't look like a water moccasin. I know that. I'm not brave enough to go down there after him either. But anyways, I just wanted to show you, how fast this is going. I've come to the end of the trail and found a really good piece of yucca back there I'm going to get on the way out, but just wanted to share this with you guys. I got something really cool, really cool that I'm going to be filming later on today. I'm gonna try to get 2 videos done, and just hang in there. It's really cool. I'm really excited and privileged to be able to share it with you. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great one, and I'll get some more videos put up for you.